Welcome back to Rayleigh's Small Engines, folks. We'll be working on this Gravely Zero turn again. Again, this one's ours. If you watched the last video of us servicing the hydro, you'll see that we found that our hydraulic drive belt had a little split in it. So we're going to put us a new one on. I'm going to show you how to do that today. Okay, folks. Y'all going to have to bear with me with this camera work. A lot of this work is going to be done under the machine. First thing we're going to do is take these nuts off and remove this cover, and I'll walk that PTO belt off. It goes back to the PTO clutch. This machine does have two belts. This one is the only one I have to take off for this job. We'll be going through this hole, and if you see the head of that bolt sticking right down there, hold on. I'm going to take you up under. This is the tensioner spring for the hydraulic belt, and we'll take I use a welding rod, and on this side here, I'll hook onto it and take it and pop it off of that stud so we can get the tension off of our hydro belt. Okay, laying on the floor now, looking under the rear of the machine. Y'all have to bear with my shaky camera work. These two bolts here we'll have to take out and remove this bracket. Be sure we get your clutch back in the exact same position. This bolt and this bracket will have to come out, and then you'll follow your PTO wire up, and up top up there, just unplug it. Okay, now the next thing we'll do is, once this belt, we just got it loose from the front, we'll pull it down, and then we'll start fishing the hydro belt out, keeping note of how it is routed. If you need to, take some pictures of how this belt is routed up under here. It's really hard to show up under here with no room. So y'all stand by and we're going to get this thing off of here. us a new belt. We got red because it's gonna match. I want it to match the deck. Make sure we got the same size. Yep, looks close enough. There's the cut. Good thing I spotted that. If y'all haven't seen the video on the hydro service, y'all check that out. I'll put that up there. I'll put a link to it up at the top up there. Go check out the hydro service we did on this machine. So y'all stand by. Let's get under this machine and we'll take a look and see if we get this belt in here. Do it. All right, folks. This is fun, fun, fun. And don't be going saying bad words or none of that kind of stuff. We're going to fish this belt up under here. It's got to go through there and then up over the top of this pump pulley here. So we're going to go up top and try not to break our fan blades. Let's get us a little more slack. And we'll go up through right there. Look at there. Isn't that pretty? That's going to work good. Let's go up to the top. Durr. All right. Just work it around. Take your time. Don't break your fan blades. Gonna kind of walk this around. It'll fit. I want to just like it come out of here so you know it'll work. All right, close enough. Y'all crank it up. Oh, just kidding. Let's go back underneath. All right, we're going to fish the other side up through here. And we're going to work that around this other pulley. Everyone, y'all say hello to Mrs. T-Bone.
Hi, guys.
She is doing our filming today because there is no possible way I could do this and film. Y'all would be really dizzy. Okay, look at there. Let's go back underneath, see if we can put the bottom together. All right, we've got our little keyway here. And you got to stand on your head. Maybe it'll stay, maybe it won't. If it doesn't stay, sometimes you can use some grease. It'll kind of help you. You don't want it to fall out. And it's about to fall out. But that's okay. And we'll just work this belt around. And it's not on right. So let's go back up top. Let's go back up top and get it back on the pulley. Okay, my keyway is about to fall out. It come loose on the pulley up there and whatever. So now I got to get my keyway back in. I'm just walking this thing around and I got my thumb right there. Pushing on this keyway. Some point it'll fall. There it goes. Goes up in there. Now I got a little tension. It's going to hold it in place. Now when I push the clutch on, it'll push that keyway the rest of the way up. Can y'all see better now?
Yes, we can see.
All right. Line our clutch back up, and you'll look inside. See the keyway here? You're gonna have to line it up with the crankshaft, and it will spin for you. So it makes it a little, as Lawnmower Lady likes to say, fiddly. So we're going to get her in here. It should be in here by Tuesday, Thursday, next month. I don't know. There we go. And then we'll start our bolt. And y'all remember about the position, because we're going to line these brackets back up. I'm going to run this bolt on up, and we'll have to get this line back up with our brackets. Yes, thank you. Thank you, baby. So they're going to have to go back up here. Can y'all see?
We got to make
sure. Right, let's move some lighting so you guys can see. Y'all stand by a second. Okay, we'll go ahead and tighten this up, and then we're going to put our brackets back up in here. Y'all bear with the noise 1 second. Alright. Now you should be able to see on your clutch where this, see the little wear right here? Can you see that? And get it back in the exact same position it was before is what your goal is. Let's get our bolts started up here. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing or not. Baby, can y'all see what I'm doing?
There, we can see now.
Oh, my big old hand was in the way. Turn this around. Get our wire should go in that groove. And you can look at the imprints in the dirt up underneath, guys, and it'll kind of make a little pattern for you of where your brackets were exactly for you. So we've got these started. Now we're going to tighten this one up first, then we'll tighten that one. Wrong way. All right, I might be in your way a second there, folks. Now I'm gonna get a wrench on these and tighten them by hand also. And then our next thing, we're gonna fish this PTO wire after I throw my wrench on the floor and lose my socket. Pause it, baby. Let me find my socket. 3 hours, 45 minutes later, a magnet. And, you know, I can't see nothing. So my wife goes, well, there it is right there. All right, we're tight. Now, next thing, we're going to fish this wire back up under here, so that we can go plug it up where it goes. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this, the PTO belt, and we're gonna position it back on our pulley. And it just kind of sits there for now. Y'all stand by, let's go to the top side. Plug our wire back up. All right. Let's go to the deck. Let's see if we can get our spring hook back. I'm going to take my welding rod, high dollar spring puller, hitchy-mo thingamabob, whatchamacallit. Let's hook him on there. And then see if we can get it. I'm on the wrong side of the boat. Let's go to that side. I'm going to go stretch this, stretch it. Like that, and then see if we can get the spring puller back out. Okay, now let's see if we can get our deck belt back on. I'll come around the other side, y'all. Hold on. Okay, told you I'd show you how to walk it back on. What you do, you just pull it, make sure that it is on your pulleys under here. your pulleys at your PTO clutch, and we're going to do what we call walking the belt on. We're going to start it, and we're going to walk it. Now when it gets tight, you reach underneath. Grab your blade. There you go. All we got to do now is put our cover back on. Couple of bolts. If you hadn't subscribed yet, folks, click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Hey, share this video with your friends. We'd really appreciate it. Everybody say hello to Mrs. T-Bone. She is doing our filming. So, you guys come back to see us. We're going to go take this thing for a drive. All right. We appreciate you guys watching. Let's fire up and see what happens. Doing smooth. Y'all come back to see us. We'll come up with something else for you guys to fix with us. Take care. Thanks for watching.